How to withdraw money from Whop. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you how to withdraw money from Whop. Receiving a payout from Whop is quite easy. I'll guide you through every step. Let's get started. First, open the Whop website and log in. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard like this. Now, if you look here, you'll see an option called Profile. Click on it. Now, make sure your profile is 100% complete. This is important. Fill in your name, username, and any missing details. Once done, after that, you'll see an option called Balance. Tab and click it. Now you'll see a Withdraw to Bank option, but this option won't work directly. First, you need to set up payouts. At the top, you'll see a message that says Set up Whop Payments. We need to select this option. Now you'll be asked to select your country to create a new account. Choose your country here and then click on Next. Now we've been redirected to the Stripe website, as Whop has partnered with Stripe. Here, you'll need to enter the phone number and email linked to your Stripe account. Then click Continue. Next, you'll choose your business type. Most of you will pick Individual Sole Proprietor. That's what I'm selecting. Click Continue again. Now, enter your legal first name, last name, and date of birth. Double-check everything. This info must match your bank details. Click Continue. Review all your details carefully. If everything looks good, hit Agree and Submit. Your information has now been successfully submitted. Now wait a little. Go back to your Whop Balance section. Now, the Withdraw to Bank option is finally active. Click on it, and you can now withdraw your money, enter the amount, and confirm.